Dear Healthcare Hero, you are awesome. I want you to know that a lot of best wishes and prayers are coming your way. I also want you to know how appreciated you are. You are saving lives.
Thank you so much for all you do every day, especially assisting COVID-19 patients. Your bravery, loyalty, and dedication to the health of others is truly inspiring.
During these challenging times, we are so touched by the outpouring of support from many friends, neighbors, faith ministries, civic groups, and businesses large and small. The kindness, prayers, and generosity we receive lift up our spirits, provide us with strength, and revitalize our calling to care, comfort, and heal. We are so grateful to the many who stand beside us as we work to keep our community safe, and who remind us that we are all Redeemer heroes and that we're in this together.
You all have helped this city and state so much during this time. One last thing, you got this.